Hey, what's up guys, it's Arts10Tech back at it again with another video. Today what we're going to be doing is looking at what's inside my tech bag. As you can see, we have the North Face Borealis 2018 All Black Edition. So if you were in high school a couple years back, as you all know, you basically bought this backpack for the trending whistle. Kicking off the video, we have my 5th generation Surface Pro. Inside we have an i7, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of storage. Of course, if I so do please, I can add a 400 gig micro SD card in the back. Now, it was between this, a gaming laptop, and an iPad Pro. And I realized that many of you were saying, well, why didn't you just get the gaming laptop? Well, because I already had the gaming/editing rig at home, and I didn't really feel like I needed another one. I realize I could be editing on the go, but the Surface can do that too. And if you don't believe me, programs such as AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, and SolidWorks all run perfectly fine on it. Something I really have been doing as an engineering student has been taking my notes on the app called OneNote, and I can attest it works just fine. Moving on, we have the first edition AirPods. Now I understand there's been a good year and a half of hype around these, but it's worth it. Their connectivity is unparalleled, and when I'm in the gym, working out, running, I've never had a problem with it. This is a product that I highly recommend. And moving on, we have my RAM mount. Now this is something that not every camera person will have in their bag. However, this is basically a me item. This is something that I attach to the dashes of cars, and I get some really beautiful time lapses of the road. Moving on, we have the iPhone 6s and the Optrix waterproof case. Now the case itself is waterproof up to 33 feet, and it has been drop tested at 20 feet. The reason I love the case so much is because it comes with a nice carrying pouch. Not for the case itself, but for the 4 interchangeable lenses that come with it. Not to forget the microfiber cloth with the brand on top. So the lenses themselves come in a variety of 165 degrees, 0 degrees, a 2x zoom, and a macro lens. Unfortunately, the company to this day, I believe, does not exist anymore, and the last case that they actually made it for was the iPhone 6s. Now, I know what you're thinking. Look at that pretty 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. Oh, and that pretty blue braided iPhone lightning cable made by Model that I bought from Best Buy. Unfortunately, the power bank wasn't advertised correctly. That was supposed to be completely black and glossy, and as you can see, it has some white text on there that I'm not even going to try and pronounce. Moving on to my storage, I have a 1TB hard drive made by Western Digital, a 16 gig flash drive by SanDisk, a 16 gig micro SD card with SD card adapter, and of course I still have the original Apple headphones and a simple black aux in the carrying case. Now this is something I'm actually really happy to own. This is the Uzon selfie stick tripod with Bluetooth remote combination. And the thing I really love the most about it is that the Bluetooth remote stops. So I hope you guys got a little kick out of that. Yeah, the Bluetooth remote starts and stops video. And to be honest, it really is a convenient feature when I have to set up the tripod and do the nice little intros for you guys. The features that I really love the most is the adjustability of the tripod itself. As you can see, it goes from a 90 to a 180, even a 45. Although I don't really know what anyone would actually use this for, I like that it's actually a feature. Of course, we have the adjustability here and there, the forward and back, lowering and raising as this selfie stick should and is expected to do. So this is a mic that I picked up from Amazon for $9, the AGD Best mic. It's a lavalier mic that, well, I'm not even using anymore, but I had it before I got this mic for the video. So that's really it from my tech bag, but before I go, I gotta give you a couple of honorable mentions. Right here, I have a nice little $5 LED flashlight, excuse the blinding. I have a nice little orange microfiber cloth. It's about $1. Let's be honest, folks. It's really simple to clean your lenses nowadays. Don't refuse to do it. A nice little waterproof case that I got from my Apple Watch Series 3 off of Amazon for $29.99. I kind of went on a shopping spree. I think I should stop, honestly. Now, this is a product that I really love. I got it at a convention earlier in the year because all my products are MSI anyways. That's why I've kind of grown attached to it. It has a nice little lightning connector with micro USB, and I just love the way that it comes and springs right back into place. Moving on, we have something I just really refuse to take out of the bag. It's another MSI product. It's a huge microfiber cloth. Of course, you can't really see the text here because of this protective sleeve, and to be honest, you probably never will because I honestly just don't want to take it out of the bag. And last but not least, we have this 4000 mAh power bank by Rev. For the $9.99 price points, I quite love it. After 2 years of degrade, it still charges a phone and a half, and where are you actually gonna find a power bank at this price point with the LED display? Alrighty, so thank you guys so much for watching. That's been what's in my tech bag, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, but more importantly, comment down below what's in your tech bag or what you like for mine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.